Welcome to Cengage Learning's Cengage Now, Managing the Gradebook Overview video. This is an installment of the Digital Course Support Self-Training video series for instructors. Our agenda for this video is to guide you through managing the Gradebook Overview page for your course. The Gradebook Overview page displays the names of all students enrolled in a course and their individual scores for assignments. Once a student finishes an assignment, you can use tools found in your gradebook to review the answers and score any items requiring manual grading. If necessary, you can adjust scores for any item, student, or assignment. Use Cengage Now Gradebook Analytics for a quick way to generate and view summaries of score information, response statistics, and content from individual questions. Global data is also provided so you can make a comparison between national averages and your class's performance. Use the Selective Report to create menu to navigate to the Custom Report Setup page. This report allows you to choose from several information categories from which you can create a detailed overview for the selected assignments and students. Use the Export Course Gradebook option to export the information from the current course as a file format that can be imported into an alternative course management system or edited in a spreadsheet or database application. If you need to select a new course and refresh the page, you'll use the Course or Section drop-down menu. Click the Edit Grading Categories link to open a page where you can create new categories or edit any existing categories. The Show All Options, Hide All Options link determines whether or not the Gradebook Preferences are displayed or hidden. Use the Gradebook Preferences to control what kind of information is included on your gradebook page. Check the box next to an item to include the information on the page or to use it as a part of a score calculation. Click the radio buttons to select between display styles. The assignment option is used to sort the list of assignments by your predefined assignment categories or by their due date in either ascending or descending order. Use the grade options to change the display of the gradebook's course score, either as a percentage or total points, or simply display the assignments as taken or not taken. The Drop Below a Score option allows you to determine the number of low-scoring assignments to drop from the course score calculation. You can modify how the gradebook table appears by clicking any active column heading to organize the gradebook table by that column in ascending or descending order. Certain columns also have an X button that allows you to hide that particular column. You can then use the Manage Columns menu to add the columns back to the table. The student name also serves as a link to the student grades detail page. If you want to sort student names, you can select an alphabetical range from the drop-down menu located to the right on the Show All Options bar. Select the appropriate alphabetical grouping to refresh the list. You can also use the previous and next links to browse the pages of student names in sequence. If you prefer, you can use the Enter Student text box to search for a specific student's information. To open the Perform Student and Assignment Actions drop-down menu, click the person icon in the upper right-hand corner. This menu lets you adjust multiple scores, send email to users, query student data, or customize assignment options for a specific student. An external gradebook column is a placeholder in your gradebook you can use to manually record grades for offline paper assignments or labs done outside of Cengage Now. This information is also included on your student's assignment and grades page. You can create an external gradebook column by clicking the Create External Gradebook Column button on the gradebook page and entering the assignment name, possible points, and student notes. Once the column is in place, you can click the pencil icon to perform edits or click the trash icon to delete the column. Deleting the assignment from the Assignments page will remove the column from the gradebook page as well. At the bottom of the gradebook table, you will see a row of icons that may appear as labels for assignments or students that have special conditions. Mousing over an icon appearing in a column displays the related tooltip. If you need to modify a student's grade, click the score you wish to view or edit in the gradebook table. This will bring you to the Edit Grade Details page. Depending on the type of assignment and content, the Edit Grade Details page will provide different controls to make changes. You can view a different assignment or student without leaving the page by choosing an assignment or student from the respective drop-down menu. You can email the student from this page as well by clicking the Email Student button. The lower half of the Edit Grade Details page allows you to edit the results of individual items or assignments in homework and test assignments. To access these fields for editing, there must be a take by the student for you to review. When viewing a homework or test assignment, you'll see the following controls. The take structure allows you to select either individual items or entire assignments for reviewing and editing of the score. The selected item attempt preview displays a full preview of the item or assignment you selected in the take structure pane. You can use the controls in the selected item grade details pane to manage scores for your selection. Here you'll view the final score or use score override fields to enter a new value for your selection, either as points or as a percentage. The attempt score displays the original electronic score for the selected item or assignment. You can use the comment section to enter a comment for the assignment or the selected item that your student can see in the notes column of their grades and assignment pages. This pane also tracks score editing activity. Once you're finished, click Done in the upper section of the page to save your changes and return to the gradebook page. Thank you for taking the time to review this self-training video. We hope that you found it helpful. Please make sure to check out our other self-training videos and resources for more help with your Cengage digital products.